A favorite piece of clothing has always been an inspiration to kickstart the hunt for accents and components to create a fabric jewelry. Now, don't get a picture of me running to the store to source all that's needed when my idea bulb lights up. On my me times, I love to go through my stash that holds all my beads and buttons, from garments or bag accessories and my old fashioned broken jewelry. This hunt does take an hour or two of mixing and matching, adoring, imagining, and visualizing my DIY project. The selected accents with the inspired fabric and a written note with its illustration and assemblage is then moved to a box. This box waits as a reminder on my craft table for that another me time. And one fine day, you see me wearing my creation with pride.